If you want to create your own Whop community, then here's what you're going to do. First, you're going to head over to your whop.com. Just make sure that you already have signed in or you have signed up to an account. So from there, you're just going to click or head over to the left side panel right here, and then you're going to scroll down. If you don't already have a business yet, you can just click on new business. But if you already have an existing one, I'm just going to create my or just click on my business that is already existing right here. And as you can see, I don't have anything right here yet, but this one is actually what will serve as our community. Now from here, as you can see, this is empty, right? We're not offering anything. We don't have any products or apps. So we're going to start with adding apps. So we're going to click on App Store from the left side options right here. And then the first thing we're going to do is we're going to click on chat, because this is the most important one when we want our community to actually interact. So as you can see, I don't have any products yet. So I'm just going to click on create product right here so that we can actually start offering products to our community. So as you can see, my product type would be coaching and courses, and then health and wellness. This one, as you can see, it has already been pre-selected because when I was creating my business, I have selected these. Now from there, we're going to enter the product details. So I'm just going to type in basic access, just like what is typed in here. And then from there, we're going to create a headline, how to build a viral app. And then from there, we're going to enter a description, but I'm just going to leave it blank. And then after that, we can upload a product media, and then we can set the pricing. So if you want to make this a paid service, you can click on one time, or if you want it like to be like a subscription or something like that, then you can just click on recurring. For this one, you can also set it to free. And then, so for me, I'm just going to leave it to free. And then you can add several features right here. If you want, you can just describe the benefit of your product, the frequently asked questions sections right here. You can also do advanced, and then you can also do included apps right here. So this product or this page comes with the chat already. So that's what it means. So when they enter this community, they will get the benefit of chat or several other products that you already have. But since we only have chat right here, that is okay. We're just going to leave it be. And then you can also just toggle this on, visible on your store page, so that this community will be visible on to the public on your store page. You're just going to hit on save after that. And then from there, you can see that this has a join button. So this is what is going to be visible to your audience. So this is how it's going to look like, your community. So if they want to join it, they can join it for free. Or if you have set up a paid or recurring service, then that's what they're going to see as well. So as you can see, we have already our product. So if they are going to join the community that we have just created, they will be able to access the chats as well. So if you want to add more apps, then you can certainly do so by going back to it and then just downloading several other apps that you want. And that's it. That is how you can create a community on Whop. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. And if you're planning to sign up and start selling on Whop, please use the link in the description box to get direct access to our exclusive perks on maximizing your community earnings. If this video helped you, again, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.